Welcome to another video of Emmett Explains Everything. Sure, my voice is so bad. Well, I made a new tweet. I just want to explain how I made it. See this here? It's a chocolate cracker. I want to make a product, but I just don't know how to. So it's just like a chocolate. I'm not going to eat it because I will say. Well, so here's the ingredients you need. You need to go over here and grab this thing. And then melt it. Once you melt that, you go grab some crackers. I don't know where to find it, but it's like graham crackers. If you not those crackers, those round like the rectangle. You use these crackers, and then all you do is just melt the chocolate. And while you're doing that, grab this cracker, put it on there. And then once the thing's done melting, so that's just the dinner, you solid it all over. Then we put it in the fridge. In this. Just put it somewhere around this fridge. Yep. No. Now wait a while until it's unfrozen. Don't bother that guy. Well, wait until it's frozen, and you could eat it with a marshmallow and not a marshmallow. You could eat it with peanut butter. That's what my mom's like. There's multiple ways to eat it. See ya. Sorry about my voice. Like and subscribe, please. I needed to do it.